Awesome, that's looking pretty dope. I got it all wired up, the relay's all there. Turn the key on, both pumps prime, you can hear them go. It's a little low on gas, so they struggle a little bit, but we didn't have any fuel leaks all the way up. We got the fuel filter in there. Everything's coming together really good. Just need to go ahead and get the intake back on now and get all the engine bay stuff sorted all up. We got the injectors all in here. None of those leaked when we primed it, so it's pretty awesome. Everything looks like it's gonna come together pretty smoothly. It's definitely not easy getting the intake in here, but it's gonna be all right. Dude, who killed the June bug? Damn, man. Coming along pretty nice. I just got to figure out 2 coolant lines and a lot of vacuum lines. I got the throttle body all on there. I had to pull the boost pipe out. I got to put that back in, but I got the dipstick all bolted back on. I got all of these little things bolted back on. Everything's kind of bolted back on. I need to tighten up the throttle cables, but they're on there and it's come together pretty sweet.
Watch the camera.
Got zip ties on all the lines. Reconnecting the boost pipe down there. We should be about done. Test. Alright, I got the boost pipe all on there. Got everything all buttoned up. Every breather hoses, all that stuff. Clamps all on down here. Man, it was not fun. But we got to get this thing, see if it fires up now, set the base pressure, all that jazz. So, gonna go ahead, crank the key. Gordo's gonna make sure it doesn't leak, and then we'll see if she fires back up. It's leaking, Gordon. You ready? Better eat. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's leaking up here. It almost started. Oh, she's dirty, dude. We gotta clean this thing off, Gordo. But we got the super fuel system all finished up and done. Thing fired up with bigger injectors. Pretty impressive that it's still fired up. But sweet, got that all taken care of. Gonna get moved on. Got a new jumper harness for that EF swap, the B series swap I did the other week, because it's got this weird issue where it shuts off. So we got a new jumper harness. We're gonna see if it's just got some loose connectors in the jumper harness, and hopefully that'll sort that out. That's what we're gonna hop on to next. But we had a kick-ass day and worked hard. Thank y'all for hanging out. This is GoofyBuilt. Peace out.
People.